Oppo Find X9 comes with 6.59 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, rear cameras 50MP main with OIS plus 50MP. Periscope telephoto with OIS plus 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera with 4K video, 32MP selfie with 4K video, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500, 3nm chipset. It runs on Android 16 with ColorOS 16, comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, no microSD. Backed by a massive 7025 mAh battery with 80-watt charging, measures 8mm thickness and 203 grams weight, and colors space black, titanium, grey, and velvet red. Other features includes in-display fingerprint, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 74,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB model.